welcome back to my channel, Designed by Mari, where we talk about digital products and passive income. Well, today I'm not only going to design a digital product, I'm going to bring it to life. I'm going to make some iced coffee cups using a design that you're going to watch me create. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I actually bought these iced coffee cups off of Amazon, and they came with all this bubble wrap. But they're super cute. You know, they look really cute. This is the before I put the design on it. It has the little straw. And then also, it has this little piece that can flip up so you can sip your coffee that way too. So they're super cute, and I'm gonna show you my design process. Okay guys, we're gonna start off in Canva. We're gonna go to create design. We're gonna customize our size. I wanna do a 1500 by 1000 pixel size, and then we're gonna go to create design. This is where you're gonna go and just pick the designs that you like. I'm doing this for a lash tech who does lashes, so I want some cute little lash designs. So I'm just gonna type in lashes, and it's gonna bring up all these cute little designs. Now, I will say normally I take time to, create my own designs. So if you decide that you do want to create a digital product to sell, just make sure you're not literally taking their designs straight from Canva and selling them that way. That is a copyright issue. And so I just wanted to show you for the video, I'm just taking quick little designs and we're gonna cut them out on our Cricut. But I just wanted to let you all know that. I'm also looking for designs that are going to be easy to cut and weed, because I don't want anything that has like too small lettering, or the lettering is too skinny and it's just a hassle to weed. So anything with bold, thick lines is really good to cut on the Cricut. And I really like these designs, and I'm gonna add a little pop of color. You'll see later I can change the color. And right now I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and I'm gonna take this to Adobe Illustrator where I like to create my SVGs. Some people download them straight from Canva. Sometimes I have issues with that, so I like to do it this way and download my SVG from Adobe Illustrator. So you'll see that. So I'm not going to go into full detail on how I create my SVGs in Adobe Illustrator. You will see it here sped up, but if you would like to have a video on that going in full detail, just leave a comment below and let me know, and I will create a video on how to create SVGs in Adobe Illustrator. So next you'll just see me go to File and then Export, and I'm gonna save this design as an SVG, and then we're gonna upload it to Cricut. And we're actually going to measure our cup. And it looks like it's exactly 9. Let's see, where does that stop? It's exactly 9 inches. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Yeah, 9 inches that way. And then we're also gonna measure it this way. I want it to sit right at the 1 mark. And then it's also about, actually no, I want to do this half and then the next half. And so it's about 2 inches for the top portion. And then I'm going to say 2 inches for the bottom as well. Okay, y'all, don't judge me. So this is where I keep my vinyl and my little sticky boards. So we're gonna take one of our little sticky boards and we're gonna pick the vinyl that we want. I know that I want this pink for like the little lash. Okay guys, so where we don't have that much of the cup to actually put a design on, we don't need a lot of vinyl. So I have like these little pieces and I'm gonna use this pink and that black. And I use permanent vinyl. I don't know if you can tell that it did say permanent. This one says permanent on it. So we use permanent vinyl so it doesn't easily come off of our cup. And then we also have our transfer tape. So I'm using scraps that I already had. And then we're gonna cut it out on our Cricut. So let's open it up. This is how it looks when I open it up. I have all my little tools right there. And we're gonna get it started. We're gonna go into Cricut. This is where your measurements come into place. We're gonna go to shapes. We're gonna do the square. It doesn't matter what color the square is. I just like to change it. But now we're gonna go to the top. We're gonna hit the little unlock and we're gonna change it to 9 by 2 inches because that's what we measured. We just wanna make sure all of the designs we wanna put in the cup will actually fit in the area that we need it to. You don't have to actually cut out this piece. I just like to use it as a way to measure where I want to put my design. So I've already uploaded my SVG. I'm just gonna click on it and add it to my canvas. It is a little big, so I'm just resizing it. And like I said, you can place your designs however you want, however many designs in that area that you measured, however you want, but I'm just going to make mine smaller so that it can fit in the actual frame that I have. Now I just want to add a pop of color, so I'm just changing the lash part to pink, just so that all of my pink items will cut out on the same board. And you can, like I said, you can do this however you want. You can change the colors however you want. Just make sure your design fits in that designated area. You can put as many designs as you want. I only wanted to do 3 on the top and then 3 on the bottom. But some people like smaller designs and having more of the smaller designs, so you can also do that as well. So now I'm going to click on each design. I'm going to group it together by clicking and holding down Shift, and we're going to say group and duplicate, and then we're just going to move that to the bottom. And it actually didn't duplicate the pink portion. I guess I didn't select it, so I'm just going to go back and duplicate the pink portion of the design and place it. Okay, so say you want everything to be in its right place when you cut it, you can select each design and hit attach, and it's going to cut it the way that you placed it. So you can also do it that way. I'm going to do each individual design and place it how I want to place it. Once you have everything where you want it, just hit make it, and then we're ready to turn on our Cricut. Okay guys, so I rigged me a little setup here, and excuse the noise in the back. And we're going to take our transfer paper and we're going to add it to our cup. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, come back, subscribe for more content. Thank you. Bye.